Hi, sociologists. I hope you're doing well. So we're wrapping up social stratification. Hopefully you had a chance to watch People Like Us and get a little chuckle from some of the stuff that's in there. I think it's pretty funny. I don't like, but there's this one part, I think I already told you, of the high school teacher who says that that the students in the parking lot have better cars than him, and that just makes me laugh. So, anyways, okay, so hopefully you are wrapping that week up and starting to think about what comes next, because what comes next is your midterm. And your midterm is a take-home midterm. Clearly, everything you do is take-home, right? But you have a week to write it, and it's obviously open book. So you're going to get it. It's going to open tomorrow, but here I'll click on it so you can see what it's going to look like. It's pretty straightforward. If you were able to do all the stuff in the forums, you're going to be just fine. So this will open for you at midnight. Then you'll be able to write it, download it, and then write it. Oh well. Anyways, you'll get it tonight, and then you can check it out. But it's based on everything we've done to date. So from the first week till now, there'll be a question on each chapter. And the chapter and any related material is stuff that I expect to be testable material. So you have access to all of it. You have a week to write it. And you have access to editorial support. So if the editing's not good, I'm going to mark you down. If you're not using all the content that could be possibly used for a question, I'm going to mark you down. If you're not sure about that sort of thing, then you need to check with me. Otherwise, happy writing. I know you can all do a good job on this. You have all the tools that you need. If you need writing support, we have a writing center. You have a whole week. So if you know now you're not a very strong writer, it might be a good idea for you to book an appointment with the writing center. We also have a dedicated sociology tutor in the tutoring center. So both of those services are available to you free of charge as College of Marin students, and I recommend you take advantage of them if you feel like the support is something you could use. All right, so enjoy the rest of this lovely Sunday, and there's no discussion forum this week because you're just writing a midterm. So that's all I want you to focus on for this class this week is getting your midterm strong and solid. And I want you to blow my mind with all your great knowledge. All right? So have a good week, and I will see you next Sunday.